Okay, you. Your money or your life?
Quick! Your money or your life?
Oh, you're very kind. You're giving me a choice.
Stop preaching, I said. Your money or your life?
Now look, boys, I'm a tourist. This is all the money I've got. I need it.
Did he say he's a terrorist? Search him!
Okay.
Hey, now boys, that passport is no good to you. And those traveller's checks, you can't change those either. Why don't you give them back to me?
What else are we to do? You came this far without any money? Always carry hard cash. This will teach you a lesson.
Thanks for nothing. Hey, mister, what you are doing here? Are you waiting for someone or are you sick?
I'm neither this nor that. And what a coincidence you should come along now. Too late. Do you want me to tell you something?
Yes, if it's concerned about police matter, you can tell us what happened.
Well, for your information, 2 young thugs just robbed me. They took my wallet, they took my passport, they took my traveller's checks, they took everything.
พี่dia kan saya man kani ka dei ka satu ni. Te mentaพี่គុំគីនេះគេតែគេយូទេពីហាប់ពេកមកពីឡាប៉ាសលេសក៏ដុកទ័រអពភីឡូសហ្វីយ៉ាពីងិនពីឡងហាប់ដាទីកាសាងិនយ៉ាពេកមិនពេកមិនសាមកដនយូនៅបានអងទេតុកនេះកលីយូ So can you describe them to us?
I don't know whether they were boys or girls. They had earrings in their ears, but they had boys' voices.
Are you wearing any pants?
I was too scared to know. They could have been wearing miniskirts as far as I was concerned.
They have long hair.
Yes, they did.
So what language do they spoke?
Oh, they were talking like Americans. But when I got a glimpse of their faces, I think they might have been Mexicans.
What is your name?
My name is Basil Griffiths.
Okay then, anyway, where do you base? At the hotel or do you have a place you stay?
I'm staying at the Hotel Jongfi P.
Oh, the Hotel Jongpi.
Tell me, officer, what is your name?
My name is Basmat Basting. That means in English Mr. Smart and Mr. Stink.
Well, Mr. Smart or Mr. Sting, I'm very pleased to meet you.
So, okay, now we'll go to the police station and file an FIR.
Is it far, or should we take a taxi?
I think we have to go on foot because we both have long legs. We can reach faster by walking to the station.
Hey, Inspector Basmat. Come now, balai jayu.
Oh, dia todes beliau satu lek ke pasport, entah ke visa ke ki kena tu mentah se.
What has happened? I really feel ashamed of my people. Besides, discouraging a foreign tourist like you, who contribute a lot to our state's economy. But this is really a breach of human rights.
Ah, well, but you appear to me to be a man who will know a lot of people. I wonder if you know where my friend Leslie lives.
Leslie, there are so many Leslie here in this village. It's a boy or a girl?
It's neither a boy nor a girl. He's about my age and he's a short man.
Sorry, mister. I'm very sorry. I don't know the Leslie that you know.
Well,
Anyway, whether she or he stays around here?
well, look, I've got his photograph here.
So you call him Leslie?
Yes?
No one know him by Leslie. You see, he is Mr. Besbha, and he is also my best friend.
So you know where he lives?
Yes, of course.
Yes. You will be able to take me to his house?
Of course,
And
yes.
what is your name, sir?
Oh, my name is Bron. But my original name, given by my parents in the village, is bronchitis.
Bronchitis? That's a disease.
Yes, yes. But my parents didn't know that. But when I came to know the meaning of that, I got chitis. I had a bronchitis when I was a boy, reading in class 4, class 5. But when I got chitis, the disease is also gone.
I don't believe it, but never mind. Can you
Okay.
take me
Yeah.
to Leslie's house or whatever name you use?
Yeah, listen.
But before we do that, let's go to the police station. And you, Mr. Brown, can accompany us as a witness. So let's move.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Besbha. Besbha.
Yeah. Đây.
Hả? Mày tiếp qua như ta? Như ta?
Làm cái thai cho mẹ đúng không?
Mẹ mong số, là mày tiếp, ngân ai xí spot tính cả.
Làm cái thao cho mẹ.
Thế mà là tiếp sao tiếp thao cho ngà mẹ buồn.
Đây bây giờ bom mẹ lại cái cầm này thôi. Cảm ơn con.
Rồi phải khó tiếp thao cho ngà mô.
Thôi Phật.
Lên thao đi. Cảm ơn thao.
Oh, Basil!
Hello, Leslie.
What a pleasant surprise. This is the man who brought you here.
Yes, but it's not so pleasant this time.
Oh, come on, sit down.
But I was very lucky to meet
sit down.
this man.
Okay. Sit
And he
down.
kindly brought me to your new house. How long have you changed houses?
You may sit here. I changed this, sit down, bro. I've changed this house because, I was told there would be a war. And the house where I lived before was a sure target for bombs.
Oh,
So-
that's terrible. But I'm also told that you have a nickname. I never knew that.
Yeah, but who told you that?
Ron.
Yeah, I was, I...
There are so many Leslies in the village.
I'm known here by another pet name, Besbha. So how's everything? All right?
Everything's
Okay.
all right, but it seems to me you have an awful lot of very peculiar names here.
Yeah, a lot.
I mean, this gentleman, he told me his name is Bron, and it comes from bronchitis.
Hey, Basil, we have a lot of names, peculiar names in the village. They give some names like a tanker, a bomber, steering, and for the girls especially, toilet. Listen to me, toilet, then the glycerin, then what's that? Latrine also they get. This is funny country. Anyway,
I'll let you know when I go home. I'll let you know. I'll go to the police station.
What's that representation?
Oh, I haven't
Yes.
told you. Oh, something terrible happened to me.
What's the matter?
2 young thugs attacked me. They frightened the living daylights out of me. They took my wallet, they took my passport, all my traveller's checks, everything is gone.
Oh my God! Even your passport?
Yes?
What the?
Only know.
What the? Yeah.
Only know.
What
You
would
know,
I do?
huh?
I feel so bad to hear about that. Anyway, but whoever did that, it is, can't be condoned in this modern society. All right, so what is your problem? Hey, come on, Can we? You come some other time?
Yes.
Are you in a hurry to meet your wife?
Yes, I'm in a hurry. So anyway, see you.
Okay.
Well, thank you, Bron, for all your help.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
And I do hope I see you again.
Yeah.
All right.
Of course. More.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Right. So, anyway, can I sit there or sit there?
I'm happy here.
No, I mean-
where you sit there.
Okay.
Now,
So, what's the program like?
well, I want to go to one village in particular.
Yeah. You want me to go with you, or do you want...
Well, you know what they say. One is sorrow,
Yeah.
2 company,
Oh, yeah.
and 3 are trouble.
So what's the trouble is?
Well, I just had the trouble,
Anyway, yeah. So
but
you still want to
I,
go?
yes, I have a list of things, and the village that I want to go to is called Jerwit Jerwat.
I know what the place Jirwat. You want to go there?
Yes, but I don't know whether there might be a hotel or
Oh, it's quite remote. Anyway, I'll just check.
thank you so much.
Where's the directory? Yeah, directory here. Yeah, there's a place like Jirwat. Inspection bungalow. Also there. You want to do something about the village or something?
Well, the first thing I want to know is how to get there. What sort of vehicle I need.
I think I should bring this,
Yes.
we are to get some connection to that bungalow. All right. All right. Hello, ho. Ho, cái này ho. Hey, cái này, mana keren? Mana? Bapas? Biti kurang itu. Kurang slow. Sắp xếp này là một ông này thì bà udon của sếp game của các bạn itu. Thì cái bi là ông nó. Then what would you like to have? I mean.
Well, transport is the
Oh,
first.
hello. Cái này chỉ cần cần jurong mà, anh này. Lại cái này. Cũng luôn push itu thì. Huh? Oh, you have to reach there by what do you call that? The 4-wheel trucks carrying timber and all those things.
Okay.
So, then what?
I want a room to stay.
Qua camera này, si camera mình sao được hết? Hỏi si camera hỏi. How many rooms you
Only
want?
one room, just for me.
Tang si camera qua. Hỏi. Được ta? Huh? He said you should take the umbrella also along with you.
An umbrella? Why would I want an umbrella?
One minute. But I don't come to the street there. Oh, because all the rooms there are leaking. So you make use of the umbrella.
You mean I have to take an umbrella in bed?
If it requires so, you have to do that.
Oh,
what
dear
else?
me.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
What about mosquitoes? I don't like mosquitoes.
Okay. Come now, kìa, buôn thì bên trong sẽ to. Yes, plenty said.
What about got mosquito nets?
Hỏi kita di perjong kita don ka musari dan He said we never know about such a thing like musari or mosquito nets.
Oh, I should get bitten to death. I don't. I'm total like mosquitoes,
Okay.
but I want to go. Now look, what sort? Is there any food there?
As up pass. Cũng nói sự phăng cả bám but cả đi. Cả bám don, cả đi lại. Food is plenty available, but drink you have to carry yourself.
I think I can manage to do that.
Okay, as usual. Come on. What next?
Now then, does it rain there much?
Hey, pass. Ka slap na siya to. Yeah. He said it's raining horses and cows.
Well, at least I have an umbrella.
Huh? Hello, Nata? Hey.
Now then, the main thing.
Okay,
The main thing.
So, what is that?
Are there elephants? Because I want to see elephants.
Oh, hello. Hỏi. Sẽ stop mẹ mà sử dụng một sự buồn. Hỏi mẹ cái đây will Besbha. Hỏi. Sự thuận nó rồi. Cái ông này bà don hati nam situ. It's plenty.
Oh, good. I'm glad there is elephants. Are they dangerous?
Hey, you know, cũng là chỉ bên sẽ khám là chỉ bên dụ bên dêm ông bêu nè. Hả? Yes, it's very tame elephants, and they always like to invade the houses of some people to take the, what they call, kasi beer.
Take some beer for them then to keep
Yeah,
them happy.
What about the...
Now,
next?
I need to get about, so I'll need a taxi.
Hey, hello, hỏi, áp xem mẹ. Cái siêu mà áp mẹ. Thế, một bên kia sẽ có về unapoi hăng tổ. Don cũng cả ô tô là cái Maruti là cái bơ gula mình in tay. Nothing of the sort.
How do I get about?
Cũng luôn lệ thế này là bỏ đằng bằng lao lệ stu lệ cũng luôn. Huh? He said you can use buffaloes or an ox or a cow.
Buffalo, an ox, or a cow? But I'm a young man, I can't ride on buffaloes and oxes and cows. Do they have stirrups, a saddle, maybe reins to drive it?
Ê, hỏi mẹ xong thì sống mẹ cái ta có môi là điều yêu. Tăng mẹ đón em cái dinh là điều tù là cầm mẹ bao nhiêu. No, he said nothing of the sort.
Well, how do I get it to go?
Ê, hỏi đó là không đâu mà đây sống mẹ hàng tù lor cái khlem dinh cầm là cầm. Hả? Says mẹ vụ. But no, he's tell that tourists to come because you have to climb on the buffalo or a cow or a ox by holding the horns, and you can turn anywhere you like to travel in the village.
What they do is they're told. Can they speak English?
No, even the Hoi language also they don't know.
Okay, I've listened to all you've had to say, and I'm grateful.
Okay. Họ tụi con phải chịu đi. Mẹ ta lại mà nó tốt cho con sẽ hiểu đó.
I'm grateful to you. It doesn't sound too good, but I must go and see those elephants. I'm going to go.
What about usually in the inspection bungalows, it used to be haunted by ghosts.
Ghosts?
All over the places. Are you scared of ghosts?
You know I used to be in the police force, and if a ghost ever gave me any trouble, I just used to arrest them.
You told me you were so scared of the mosquitoes. You are not scared of elephants? Or scared of the ghosts?
I'm not scared of the ghosts, because I can arrest them. You can't arrest a mosquito.
Why is it? So that fixes it. Anyway, what's the... I'll put the form in, then what's the next... you go on thinking how you would go to that village. You just fancy what are the requirements.
Yes, I will have to go to the village in a four-wheel drive.
Okay, then we do this. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Biti, my wife, for the last 5 years you met her. Hey, Biti! Hey, this girl always... She sleeps in daytime.
In the daytime?
Biti! Biti! Here she comes.
Oh, Biti!
Come on, hurry up, don't close the door.
I haven't seen you for 5 years and you look younger than ever.
Yeah.
How do you manage it?
Now, come on, sit down. Let the dog sit down, come on. Sit.
You know, Basil, actually doctor advised me to sleep in an hour in the daytime, and also to eat the seeds and skin of some fruits.
Skins of fruit, like that's like pineapples, or like jackfruits, or like coconut. No, you see, sit down. You don't know.
You know, Basil, my husband always liked to make fun of me.
Anyway, Okay, then do like this, Biti. Since we are here, we'll have a long time. Yeah, I think you even had your lunch also. We can prepare a very modest lunch. Huh?
Okay.
And when you finish, you come and call us. Okay?
Okay.
Be a good girl.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
I will see you.
Yeah. And all right then, you have to manage yourself.
Yes.
Since you don't want me to go with you. Okay.
Oh, that'll be all right.
Hello. Hỏi người ta. Biti.
Ngắm đây EA, ngắm đây UA, Police Inspector.
Khúc lệ, more inspector khúc lệ Pi. Cũng đâu, thì cái tất cũng đúng tốt.
No him kun maaf su. Inspector Basmat Basting, Judge Bajrong.
Hỏi thế, người ta sang cũng mau Pi. Rồi mengampat EP mat pila dan posting si jangan đây. Ternyata pinang iyo ban dia tu na ban ong nga.
Ngamut su ong ipi sapang wa pareng pi bakerteng Basel. Tip hi kun maaf em tenga tip
hỏi. Thế Pi cũng đâu tờ.
tenga tip riu i khadu ahiyeng jong pi.
Thì udon cái perlok tu udon khadu yang jangan apa mentau lek jing lek.
Tenga tip ru le senong jerwan. Hai lanon wan pai mo.
Thì ya kata tengam tip Pi, tempat tu kerja Pi. Kerja kebun teh satar hang tu. Pi kalau menatang hidup lek gimana? Kuat menit situ. Thì kata
Te la datang supoi. Te sa su penong ni sepul tha so yu ban wan sini sport police station baron kam
don dijai ni inspector. Don dijai
Don ki jingja ki padai banja. Hendak kimja. Don ki jingja pat ki padai banja ru kimja. Te la da janam jaru habi ban wan sport police station.
Basmat basting đây. Bitip chỉ thu bài khá tạm đây. Thì kalau kita saya saya kayak belajar saya suka betul marba wan yang jongau ni jongau thì ta
Te kata te muncong te ma cái banya thu wat la da video thau jongaru. Te nei phila ban wan lang bat seni sport station te mi dei ban le tenge phi kini ka harassment ni ki tourist ne ki bom dei tourist ru kum ju.
Te ro Pi cái gì ông Pi lệ tenge mo đây dùng mi Pi thế gila lệ tâm hả thế chúng tôi cũng đâu tourist đâu vậy ta kể thế là phần thọ bria Pi đây gì bria in nó sang lang thế là jumut được chưa?
Te ka badai phi ni dei hi man khrut tenge phi boro ki don kti kuma kini ki jat kam.
Rồi.
Kham tam nei manga te ngan khrut tenge la da dei le khun jongaru. To kublis bun ni phi.
Kulai dengan sa wan hi bạn garu mo.
To sale.
To si bo to. Hai. So, what a hectic day. Come on.
Yes, fine.
I told you the police people here are very efficient and they have tracked down the thing. Are you happy you get...
I'm very grateful to them. I think you have an efficient police force
Yeah,
here.
so they say so anyway, but from the work they have shown to you. Anyway, but you remember those two thugs in the police lockup there?
Yes, I saw them. Do you know,
But...
I felt sorry for them. But it's not my fault.
Yes. No, the fellow, the other guy with the long hair, he hit his face.
Yes, he hid his face with his hair. He's thoroughly ashamed of himself.
You see, I noticed both of them. They're
Oh.
boys, I'm, my age, I know all the boys here.
You know them. Oh, dear.
You see, the tall one, have you seen the tall one?
Yes,
The tall one with the mark here. His name is Splinter.
Splinter.
This fellow is a son of a grandson of a grandfather, of the sister-in-law, or another brother-in-law. The list is very long.
Well, it seems to me from what you say that they'd have been round about the time of Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden.
Anyway, but the other one, the long hair, I know him also. His name is Watkinson. Don't be scared. And the fellow, I know him, this fellow. He's also the grandson of a great-grandfather whose grandmother is a sister-in-law of the sister who is now alive, her age must be around 150 years.
120 years?
Yes.
What does she do?
150 years.
50 years? What does she do?
Well, she sells herbal medicines.
150 years and she's selling herbal medicines on her own?
No, she helps her father in giving this herbal medicines.
No. Leslie, she's 150 years old and she helps her father selling herbal medicines. You mean the old faker's still alive?
Very well and alive. The father, you mean the father? Very well and alive, you know, his age.
But how old is he?
You see, you make guess he married at the age of 18, and if his youngest daughter is 150 years, he must be around 220 or 250 years now. Can't you believe?
250 years.
Sense, you know. So, anyway, we'll talk about it, about your experience in Jerusalem, please. How you go about it. Then we'll talk, long talk before you return back to Wales.
Thank you very much, Leslie.
So,
I thank you for your information, your help, and I'm grateful to you.